This video will get you acquainted with the APA formatting resources of Purdue's OWL, or Online Writing Lab. From the OWL homepage, scroll down and click the APA Guide link on the left. The introductory page provides access to the two primary components of the guide, the APA Overview and Workshop and the APA Formatting and Style Guide. The overview gives you a quick rundown of common uses of the APA style and what is contained within the sections of the Formatting and Style Guide. The Style Guide can be reached from the introductory page, from section links in the overview, or from the main menu on the left under Research and Citation, APA Style 7th Edition, APA Formatting and Style Guide 7th Edition. The first section of the guide is the general format. It provides details on font standards, cover page formats, and how to format different parts within your paper, such as an abstract. It also provides you with a sample APA title page and links to a sample APA paper. Sections 2 and 3 of the guide look at in-text citations. Section 2, In-Text Citations, the Basics, provides examples of different citation options, such as short quotations, long quotations, and paraphrasing. Section 3, In-Text Citations Author/Authors, provides examples of in-text citations dependent on different author configurations. For example, 2 authors, 3 or more authors, unknown authors, or even organizations as authors. Certain APA assignments may call for footnotes or endnotes, information about which is contained in Section 4 of the guide. Section 5, Reference Lists Basic Rules, walks you through how to construct the reference list of your full citations at the end of your paper. Section 6, Reference List Author/Authors, is similar to Section 3 in that it looks at different ways author configurations are recorded, this time in a reference list. The next 6 sections, 7 through 12, provide details and examples on formatting full APA citations for your reference list based on the type of resource being cited. You may be tempted to use a citation generator to build your APA citations. While this can be helpful, always double-check your citation formatting with concrete examples of the style, such as those contained in these sections. Each citation example will include a general formatting description as well as an actual citation of a resource that matches the section description. For example, let's say you want to cite a chapter from a textbook with editors and a different author for each chapter. Click on Reference List Books. Look at the headings to find the description that matches your need, article or chapter in an edited book, and fill in your resources info accordingly. Citing something from the web? Click Reference List Electronic Sources. Look under the heading Web Page or Piece of Online Content and match your citation to the example. Remember, citation formatting follows the examples exactly. This includes capitalization rules and italics usage. The Purdue OWL APA Guide covers every aspect of the style. It's a can't-miss resource for assignments requiring the use of APA. Good luck with your assignment.